Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change default apps on MSI Claw. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, navigate to the settings, and right here enter the apps. Inside you should be able to find default apps, and here we can enter the file type or link type. That means you can search for something like extensions like RAR or PDF and set a default app that will open this specific file. Other thing is search for apps, and here, for example, we can find in Google Chrome. So let's open a keyboard and type in Google Chrome, and that way we'll be able to set this app as a default one for most of the extensions that are visible right here. That means the browser. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.